Unboxing the FiltrO. Unbox the FiltrO by removing the carton box. Once you remove, you will find a user manual along with the filter paper and the FiltrO machine inside the box. Make sure to read the user manual thoroughly and then begin the unwrapping process. Cut open the bubble wrap with a knife or a cutter. Be sure to lift the machine from the bottom and support its weight evenly to avoid damaging it. Lift the machine and place it on a clean table. The appropriate size for the table should be 1 by 1 square feet in dimension. Now the FiltrO machine is unboxed and ready for you to start the installation. Once the FiltrO machine is out of the box, take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage. If you notice any dents, scratches or damage, contact the manufacturer or the retailer immediately. Now that the FiltrO machine is unwrapped, it's time for the installation process. Locate the power cord and plug it into a nearby outlet. The required power output should be 2 amps and 300 watt load. Be sure to use a grounded outlet. Earthing to be between earth and neutral below 5 volts of alternating current. FiltrO machine can be used within the Mukunda foods fryer machine or else in a different bin. Heat the oil before placing FiltrO in the fryer. Make sure the oil is heated to a minimum of 120 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the oil can be viewed in the display of the Eco Fryer. Then switch off the fryer machine, lift the coil and place the FiltrO machine inside. Plug in the FiltrO machine and switch on the power supply. Make sure the red and green indicators are glowing before switching the machine on. Press the power switch given on top of the FiltrO machine and the process should start. Let the machine run for 15 minutes. Then switch off the machine and take out the FiltrO machine. Once removed, place the FiltrO machine on the given drip tray to collect the remaining oil. To install a new filter paper, open the filter box, remove the filter box clamps and remove the old filter paper and then clean the filter box with soap water and wipe them thoroughly. Then take a new filter paper and assemble it as per the given SOP and tightly close the filter box with the clamps. Fix the filter box back into the machine.